Paul DuPont was born into the famous DuPont family, which controlled an industrial empire. He studied engineering in school, and by the time he was 29, had established a small marine engine manufacturing company, which gradually evolved into automotive manufacturing. The DuPont Motors Company specialized in luxury automobiles popular in the mid-20s. In 1930, with the U.S. economy in serious condition, DuPont Motors merged with India. Automotive manufacturing was halted, and Paul DuPont was named president of India. With DuPont's guidance, the Indian Motorcycle Company prospered for the next 15 years. They developed winning ways on racetracks around the country and in dealer showrooms with new streamlined designs. After 15 years of continual financial improvements, Paul DuPont's health was failing. He could no longer handle the day-to-day operations of the company. On November 1st, 1945, Paul DuPont turned the reins over to a group that had bought controlling interest in Indian and retired to the family estate in Delaware. He passed away in September of 1950.